Hi guys, how to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. Now launch CapCut PC and either open your existing video project or start a new one. Getting to the editing timeline is your first goal. This step is quick but essential. Move the playback cursor to the exact frame where you want your zoom effect to begin, then click on the video clip to highlight it. Here's the secret. Frame placement changes everything for smooth zooms. Go to the top right panel. Make sure video greater than basic is selected, scroll down to position and size, and click the add keyframe diamond icon to set your starting point, lat deep. Do not skip this keyframe step or the zoom won't work. Move your playback cursor forward in the timeline to where the zoom should finish, then increase the scale slider in the right panel, or drag the corners of the video player window to resize and reposition. Keep watching because the next step shows how to check your work. Press the spacebar or click the play button to review your animation. The video will zoom smoothly between your keyframes. Want to zoom back out? Just repeat the same process further down the timeline.